Sometimes you have to go small to go big. Introducing an entirely new type of tour with limited guests and unlimited fun. Globus Small Group Discovery Tours, specifically designed for travelers that crave the intimacy of a small group but want a worldwide experience of epic proportions. And with an average group size of just 15 travelers, there's plenty of room for moments like this, even this. With over 50 all-new tours designed for the in-crowd, with exclusive excursions and special access that can only be achieved with a small group. Throughout Europe, North America, Asia, Africa, South America, and the South Pacific. Like private wine tastings, thrilling safaris, and enchanting estates. Because the size of your travel group counts. So wherever you go, be it the top of the Swiss Alps, the end of the world in Patagonia, the pagodas of Japan, or the preserves of Kenya, it's time to try the world on for size. Globus Small Group Discovery Tours.